Hello everyone, let's check the homework that I gave you last time. Now black has to capture this white group. Then how did you solve? Now let's check it out. If black just tried to break white eye shape, I'm not gonna just connect here. White can just connect the right hand side, and then black place here, white can save easily. So after you read out, I don't think your first feeling was difficult to find. Just like you just need to cut here, and white has to save these 4 stones. And then Atari is the main point that we have to do. When he connect, and you can just Atari one more time. When you just put the stone like this, then it's easy to just see that. But the main point is when you read without stones, just like you might feel confused whether white can connect here or not. That part was a bit difficult for these questions. If white just do it something differently, actually there is no other way. If white just Atari, you can just save this 1 stone, and white cannot connect. You can just capture. And what about another way? Just you have to be careful only one thing. 3 and 4, this exchange is important. If you do not exchange and just try to put here, then now the result that you can only make is Seki. Yeah. So just Atari one more time and Atari. Yeah. Was it difficult? Okay, then we can start to solve from today's questions. Today we will study the life and death question first. Now black has to capture this white group. These 2 stones are in danger. Let's try to solve from now. You found it, right? Then if you couldn't find it yet, then you have to just wait, and you have to stop to press the video. Then you need to just solve it first. If you just save these 2 stones, when white capture, now you don't have to carry these 2 stones anymore, just you can press from outside. And even though white capture and black will capture, the white can't make 1 more eye, and it's gonna be 4th eye. So now just connecting is not really okay. Sorry, my mistake. Which means after black connect here, white cannot just Atari these 2 stones, and it was not available for white. Then what can white to do that? However, white has to get 1 more eye here, so white can try to block here. And now black can't just honey, so black must think about invade. And now white has 2 ways. If white just Atari these 2 stones, the result will be same as just now, because white can't make 1 more eye here. So what can white do? White has to separate this way, and then when black save, this time is different. White is capturing 4 stones. White can get easily 1 more eye. So now this is working for white. Okay, so that I was saying is, when you read here, this was okay for black, but white can just block here. That's why it doesn't work. Then what can black do it now? We can think about just push here, but sadly white is not gonna just block here. White will extend here, then still white can get 1 more eye. So I think when you read until now, you can find out the correct answer. Black has to knight move first. This is the good move to break this eye shape first, and then black can return. And this shape is same as that I show you at the first time. The white can't make any eye here. Maybe you might think about something differently, like Kosumi as well. If you read here, then of course we have to follow as well. We get to read this way, then this is working. Now black can capture this white. But there was good move, white can Kosumi first, Because now, you know, there is I shape. Black is supposed to get in, then white can stretch here. So these two stones are captured. Of course, black can't ignore here that white can make one more eye. Yeah. So the vital point was knight move. You can just capture this white, this knight with this knight move. Okay. Second question. Okay. Black has to capture white. My first feeling is capturing these two stones. How about you? Same as me or not? Just when we read here, you have to continue to read. White is gonna play Atari. We must capture. Then even though white just play tiger's mouth, then white can make two eyes. Yeah. Of course, white can even play here. Hane, block, connect, make two eyes. Just now that one was a bit better for the point, but anyway, this is also available for white. So after you read this way, you have to return. I can't say this question was difficult, but just you know, always we get to have some first feeling, and this is kind of a dead move. But after you follow up the best way for each other, then you have to return, and your second feeling has to be where white walked just now. It should be your second feeling. White has to capture, and then now you can connect between this one stone and this one stone, Hane. And now white can't get in here. Black can just capture. So when white try something, just you can answer, then white is just dead. Okay, then other than this, Kosumi, nothing. If you just save, easily white is captured. Okay, other than those feeling, maybe you may think about jump as well, because maybe if white is just captured, then black is gonna play here. That's a good idea. Then white has to return. This was the vital point for each other. So after this, if you just capture these two stones, white can even save by Sente. Like just spent some strange move just now, yeah. And if you just get in here when white capture, then I already got two eyes. So it didn't work. Yeah, always I'm telling you, even you have a misreading, that's fine. We are fixing when we are having the practice. For misreading has to be in the practice time. If you are doing many misreading in your practice time, then you are not gonna have a misreading in your actual game. Of course you may have, but it will be much less. Okay, so don't be sad even if you have some reading trouble. We are doing for making the reading trouble in your practice. Yeah. Now black 5, 6 stones are in danger. You know, this is capturing race questions. Which means if you want to save, you must capture these 4 stones of the white. So how do you want to do that? Yeah. If you just throw the 1 stone, the white will just capture. But when you Atari, maybe you may hope him to connect, then this is working. Black will be very happy. But the point is, white is not gonna save this 1 stone. I'm gonna just capture this 1 stone. Something like this. Then it's not working anything. Okay, we can return. So this time throw-in is not the right Tetsuji. It's not suitable. Then what about we just try to capture straightly, and when I connect, I want to wedge. If white is just Atari, black can connect. This is working, of course. Because just now, when black plays at wedge, white Atari direction was wrong. White can just cut first, this 1 stone is in danger, then black can capture. So it doesn't work. Okay, now you can find what you have to do. Black has to Kusumi first. If white doesn't answer anything, there will be snapback. So it's working. So white has to just connect, and then black can play wedge. If white cut, black connect. This one stone position is not here. It was not working just now, but if black position is Kusumi, this is working. Even though white is around, black is faster for 1 liberty. Okay. You may have a question. Then teacher, what about I just play here first, and when he play, and then I want to play this move. If white answers something like this, then it's working. But the point is, white is not gonna answer anything. White will just try to surround first. Then it's not working. Even though you surround, white is faster for 1 liberty. So right sequence was Kusumi first and wedge. Yes. How was it? Was it okay? Yeah. In the actual game, if you didn't have enough practice to serve such kind of question, then we may have we just get to play such kind of move. But these 2 stones, liberty is worse than here. Yeah. Okay. And then now is your homework. Now is the capturing race. This time I prepared for your homework for the capturing race, not the life and death. I can't say it's really difficult, but there is some traps. Yeah, so please do not get into the trap. So now you have to find out the solution. Okay, then I will tell you the correct answer after 2 days. 2 days later. Thank you very much everybody for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for my channel and press the bell as well. Then see you guys next time. Bye.